Hello all. This is my friend Ninad here who works at Cafe Arpan. I've asked him just for the purpose of this little recording to take his mask down so that we can hear him audibly. He's got some very important things to say.
Why are we so frustrated?
Ninad, a couple of days ago, the Union Health Secretary, I've forgotten his first name, Mr. Bhushan, made a statement that was reported in the newspapers. And he said something like, we are only providing the vaccine to people who need it, not people who want it. And this has me really frustrated. And in addition, today's paper reports that when the Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, met with the chief ministers of various states, he also said something to the effect of our rollout of the vaccine is just like that of other developed countries. And it is not.
Don't I need a vaccine?
You absolutely need the vaccine, Ninad. You've got some significant comorbid conditions which make you more susceptible and less immune. So, yes, we need the vaccine for you and all of your friends here who have autism, Down syndrome, and intellectual disabilities. As you may or probably may have known from before, I mentioned to you that everyone falls under this category of developmental disabilities, and almost all members have significant concerns and conditions along with their disability that makes them at risk. And that's why I'm so frustrated about this whole thing. In the Western countries, they prioritize persons with developmental disabilities. We are trying so hard to make our politicians and those decision makers, but nobody's listening. You need the vaccines. You really, really do, even though you're below 45.
This would actually prioritize the categories like autism, Down syndrome, and with a very, very high quality and allow them to take vaccines.
You're absolutely right, Ninad. And if we could make you make a presentation to the central government, I would take you right there, because what you're saying, prioritize our team and others like them, is really, really important. And nobody's listening and nobody's doing anything about it.
Because they are into politics, so.
Okay, well, that's your view, and I really appreciate you saying that. I mean, whether it's politics or something else, but whatever it is, I'm very worried that you'll get the vaccine in several months. And the other issue is mental health, your friends. It really is impacted when you're cooped up in your houses for so long.
Also, I find many of my friends are very difficult to
wear the mask. Yeah, you were talking about this to me earlier. For persons with autism, there are different areas of difficulty, and it's neurological. And one of them is the whole sensory piece. So having something touch their skin for so many hours in the day is very, very difficult for them. And it's a true problem. It's not something that they're just being bad about. It's the whole, the stale air that they breathe, the touch of the mask. You notice Aarti keeps putting her mask down. All of those are real issues for them. So when they get vaccinated, at least we don't worry so much about where the mask is on their face. That's another thing. The problem with the mask is worldwide.
What is sensory
issues? Persons with autism, Ninad, and I'm glad you're bringing this up because this is World Autism Awareness Month. They have differences in their sensory, they have sensory dysregulation. And this is a neurologically based condition. So they have difficulty, say, with sound, light, anything that's different with touch, especially the mask. These are all big issues for them and big problems for them that they have to overcome, and it's really hard. Plus, communication becomes impacted. As it is, they struggle with communication. So they don't get cues when people are all masked up. They can't understand the social communication very well. And therefore, that's another way that they get really disturbed. But thanks for asking. These are all very important issues, and you're absolutely right. Prioritize persons with intellectual and developmental disabilities.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
hope.
Yes, prioritizing is a primary key to
Yes, absolutely. Thank you.
welcome.
Thank you. Ninad, you can put your mask back on again. So Ninad is one of our very caring, very capable team members. He understands the larger issues associated with this whole problem. I do hope that his concern and all our concerns are addressed soon, sooner than later.